So student, today we are going to learn what is the variation of the gravity in a depth. The actual formula gravity in a depth is equal to G, it's 1 minus D divided by radius of the earth. Okay, this is a formula. We are going to learn how to derive this equation, variation of the gravity in a depth. So we are going to learn how to derive this equation. It is a earth, it is the center of the earth, it's going to be 0. Okay. So RE is the radius of the earth and this is a depth, D depth. I want what is the gravity at this particular point. Okay. So see what I am going to do here. We know we consider one object on the earth surface. So universal, according to universal of gravitation, F is equal to capital G, M1 here mass of the earth, M2 is the object. We will take it apple. Okay. We will take it some apple or human being. Okay. M1 will be mass of the earth, M2 will be mass of the apple. And distance between these two is the radius of the earth. Actually, we will get F is equal to G times of M1, M2 divided by D square. Here I am not going to write as a D square because D is going to be written as a R square, radius of the earth. Because apple distance will be negligible, I consider only as a radius of the earth. Okay, it's going to be 6400 kilometer. Okay. So here force is going to be weight of the apple. So weight is equal to force is equal to mg, simple. So this is going to be mg is equal to g times of mass of the earth, mass of the apple divided by radius of the earth square. I consider one apple. So weight of the apple, so it is a mass of apple get cancelled. So we will get small g is equal to capital G mass of the earth divided by radius of the earth. Okay. Now see when our question actually in the depth, what is the gravity? The same apple I consider here, what is the gravity? Now the gravity is totally affected by the mass. Okay, mass is affected by the density. Okay, only this much mass is getting concentrated, not full mass, because here only we want. Okay, so just this formula, volume also is depends. Okay, so I am going to relate this formula with the volume. So density is equal to mass by volume. Mass is equal to mass of the earth is equal to density into volume. So volume I know it is 4 by 3 pi r cube because this is sphere shape. 4 by 3 pi r cube. So just this I am going to substitute here. We will see what we are going to get. So gravity on the earth surface is equal to g times of mass of the earth is going to be density 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by r square. Okay, I forgot to write that r square. So r cube r square get cancelled. G is equal to capital G density 4 by 3 pi r. It is going to be on the surface of the earth. Okay. Next in depth, in some depth I am taken, D depth we are taken. Now we are going to find in D depth what is the gravity. Gravity in D depth. Okay. So see here, our radius now is going to be changed. When it is on the surface, it's R radius. When it is D depth, it's going to be R minus D. This is our radius. This radius is going to be R minus D. So the same formula in depth you can write R minus D. Same formula I am going to write. It is G times of rho 4 by 3 pi. The radius is changed R minus D. Very simple. So it is equation 1 and it is equation 2. On the surface, in depth, two values we are taken. So equation 2 divided by equation 1. So gravitation in depth divided by gravity is equal to equation 2 g rho 4 by 3 pi r minus d divided by g rho 4 by 3 pi r. So all the terms will be common except this 3. Okay, only that solution we are going to do it. Okay, so we will get GD is equal to GD gravitational depth divided by gravity is equal to, everything is getting cancelled, R minus D divided by R. R is common for both the term, so it's going to be 1 minus D divided by R is equal to GD divided by G. G I am bringing here. So GD is equal to G 1 minus D divided by R. It is in depth. In case we are going center of the earth. So center of the earth, we know it is when the center of the earth, the depth is going to be the radius. D is equal to R. So GD is equal to G 1 minus D is equal to R. When we are going at the center of the earth, radius is equal to depth. We went at the center. So R divided by R get cancelled. 1 minus 1 will get 1 minus 1 0. So gravity will be 0. So weight is equal to mass into gravity. When the gravity is 0, total weight is going to be 0 Newton. It is going to be weightlessness. Okay. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe.